Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Discord on your Android phone. That's super easy to do. Go ahead and open up the Play Store, guys, and use the search and simple type in Discord. Once you type that in, you will find the Discord here, and it says Discord. You can simple tap on install and have that install on your phone. Now it's just about 77 megabytes there, so you just want to be patient and wait for that to quickly install on your phone. It's going to take less than a minute depending on your internet connection or your data connection there, your data speed. You will see that it is installed. Now as you can see, mine's at 50% after a couple of seconds, and it's going at a rate of about 10 to 20%, so it should be done in no time. So let's just wait for that, guys. Now here you can see that the download is currently finished, and now it's currently installing, guys. And once that is done, in a couple seconds, as you can see, I can open up Discord. Now if you have a Discord account, you can simply click on login. From here, enter your credentials there. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on register and just fill in the details here to register your Discord, guys, and you'll be able to log into Discord on your phone, which is super convenient. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.